Hello students, my name is Mohammad Hassan Lalani. Today I will teach you how to make Nike logo in CorelDRAW. So let's get started. First you want to copy the logo to the Chrome and paste here to CorelDRAW, and then you want to select circle and make it here, and select this tool and select here, and select this and stretch it to here, and select this and stretch it to here, and select here and stretch it to here. And to make the logo perfect, you want to make edges perfect like this. Like this. Yes, like this. And you want to stretch this here like this, and here like this. And you want to double click here, then it will make good, and here to make the logo perfect. And then you want to stretch to right hand side, and here. Then you want to double click here, it will be straight line, and you want to select this and go this to end of Nike logo like this. And you want to select here and here to make logo perfect. And you want to zoom and make perfect logo to here like this and this. So double click here and here like this, and you want to double click here also, and here also, and you want to make this to here, and you want to scroll, then you want to click here, then left click this option and left click here, and here again left click. Then you want to right click on underline button, then you want to select this logo and drag it to here, and your logo is ready. I think you understand the video. Bye.